Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Amazon Prime app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Amazon Prime app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search this on your search bar. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website on your screen. On this website is where we will download the app, so just go and click it. And now that you've opened the website, there it is guys, you will now be able to see the download button for the Amazon Prime app, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, the app installer for your Amazon Prime will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then the app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, your Amazon Prime app will now be installed on your PC or laptop. So just log in or create your Amazon Prime account and then you will now be able to use the app. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.